What is up, everyone? It is Nick from Aussie Money Man, and in this video we're going to be talking about affiliate marketing. Alright guys, so pretty much what we're going to do is we're going to start off with a quick introduction to affiliate marketing in case you guys don't know what it is, because a lot of people have messaged me asking about what it is, and then we'll go into the more complicated parts of why you may choose to do affiliate marketing, how to do affiliate marketing with a specific example, and then also little specific bits and pieces that we may cover in separate videos depending on sort of your guys' video response to this video. Alrighty, so if you've watched or seen any of my other bits of content, especially around making money online, you'll have known or have seen a bit about affiliate marketing, because it's normally up there in my sort of top 7, which is now 8. By the way, if you haven't seen my most recent sort of way of making money online, check that out. I'll put a link there or put it somewhere. It's really awesome. And also to the people that are watching this video wondering where more videos are on match betting, which is the 8th way, by the way, new people, that is coming. I just don't want this channel to become a match betting channel rather than just making money online, specifically for Australians, but also for everyone. Alright guys, so you've definitely seen affiliate marketing if you've seen any of my content, but also if you've been on the internet and been in sort of the money making space, you've definitely heard of affiliate marketing. So all affiliate marketing is, guys, is selling other people's products, so all services. So I've spoke about it a bit before, but basically an example of a service that you may sell is Netflix. They used to have an affiliate program, though I don't think they do anymore. An example of a product is this anything, literally. This microphone's a good example. Blue Yeti microphone, product placement, link in the description. What I just did then is actually technically affiliate marketing. So if anyone clicks through that link, now I'll get money for it, which is what affiliate marketing is. So let's jump into why affiliate marketing is effective and why I use affiliate marketing. Also, quick side note, make sure you guys like this video, please, and watch it to the end. It's going to be a lot of content, as I explained earlier, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and I will make my best effort to speak a little bit slower, because if you guys are new to this channel, I tend to speak really fast, and people keep telling me they have to watch it in 0.75 times, so I'll try to make that not necessary for you guys in this video. Alrighty guys, with that said, why do affiliate marketing? 3 main reasons in my opinion. 1, it's completely passive once you set it up. So just then with that example that I did then, that was just an example, by the way, guys. You don't have to go buy the microphone. But that's a perfect example of how these things work, and it becomes passive. So what that means is obviously active income is when you're working actively, so like at a job, but passive income basically means the money will keep coming in after I've done the work. Now, obviously that's true in this case, because once I upload this video will be up for all of eternity or until YouTube dies, which I can't imagine will happen anytime soon, and it will keep making money every time someone clicks on it. So that's one reason. The second reason is you can basically sell without having to do sales, so to speak. So no one likes doing sales, or not many people. People find it quite confronting and just kind of uncomfortable. With this, you can basically sell things without selling. And what I mean by that is, a good example is what I just did then. I didn't actually have to say anything, so to speak. I could just link down below, and I only learned this recently. A lot of YouTubers, you notice I've got their equipment with a bunch of the equipment that they use for their videos, so like microphone, camera, and then Amazon links. Now, I recently started doing this because I only just recently found out about it, and basically the reason they do that is because when people are curious about what content, what are people using to create their content, so equipment, basically they'll go down below and click the links and buy it. So they didn't even have to sell it or do anything. They can just sort of incorporate it where it works. Now, I'll get into a very specific example of what exactly I personally do in a second when it comes to how I incorporate affiliate links without having to be salesy, because that's obviously not the aim of this channel. Alright guys, and the third sort of main benefit from affiliate marketing, in my opinion, is the fact that you can sell other people's products or services. Now, the reason why this is so big is just the fact that you don't have to create your own product. You can make money from other people's work, which I personally think is amazing. Obviously, we want to work smarter rather than harder, so if we can make money from other people's products rather than making our own, and make a lot of money from other people's products, well, that sort of saves us a lot of time and energy. Alright guys, so how do you do it? We've covered the what is it and why would you do it, but how do you do it? So you're probably interested by this point, and you should be. And if you're not, well, there's a lot of other ways you can make money, and you can check out that video linked somewhere. But yeah, carry on watching this video. Make sure you comment your thoughts down below, because I do want you guys' thoughts, and make sure you'll comment what you guys think about this and what you guys want to know, because like I said, I may do specific videos where I go into detail about specific things, like for example finding things to market for affiliate marketing, or getting a good traffic source, because that's the hardest part of affiliate marketing, is actually getting traffic and making sure people see your affiliate links rather than just spamming them on Facebook boards, which can be effective in the right sort of context and if done right, but we'll cover that later. Alright guys, so how to do it. Now, you can do it in the sort of way that I do. It's just sort of there. If people want it, you can do it in the way that I've mentioned previously that I do. And a specific example would be my most previous video covering match betting, which again, if you haven't checked out, do check that out. It's really awesome, really easy way to make money. I think the other night I made like, it was a stupid amount. It was like $900, but there's more to it than that. I'll say that, but I did, and it's insane. So check that out. But basically, what you do is I was covering match betting anyway, and then people were like, "Oh, how do I do it? How do I learn?" And I said, "Oh, well, I learned from these guys, and these are the guys that I actually genuinely learned from before I decided I was going to share it." Upon sharing it, I figured, okay, people were asking who I used, so I went over to them and said, "Do you guys have an affiliate program?" They did. Now, what that basically means is when people ask, in my video comments, how do I get involved in this? I've already got a link in the description showing them how I learned. Now that business, that the people who taught me were a business themselves. So that means basically I get paid for sharing that information, and I don't have to sell it. I'm not like, oh, go use these guys, they're amazing, even though they are, because I don't have to sell it, so to speak. It's just sort of something that works well with what I do, and that's one way to do affiliate marketing. But you can also turn it into like a full sales pitch and set up funnels and stuff, and that's another way of doing it. But again, I'll talk about that specifically perhaps in another video if you guys want to hear that, because there's lots of methods to do that. I haven't used them personally for other people's products. I've used sales funnels for my own products. A sales funnel, by the way, guys, is basically just, the reason it's called that is because it's the idea of a funnel. So you might get a bunch of people that watch a video, then some will subscribe to the email list, and then you'll send emails getting them to eventually buy, thus the sales funnel. You lose people along the way, but you obviously will never get everyone to buy. That's part of it. So guys, a great example, now that I've sort of given you guys an example of what I do, an example is all those review channels that you see. So you'll see a lot of review channels, for example, the iPhone or the iPad or whatever, when they come out on new just devices. I will just use Apple's devices as an example, and they'll review each one that comes out. Now, chances are they have affiliate links. They're going, buy the new iPhone from Amazon using the Amazon partnership program, which I'll talk about more in a second. And basically what that allows them to do is really easily make a lot of money, because those views get millions, tens of millions, hundreds of millions of views, these reviews on these new devices, and they'll basically get paid for that. And pretty much every review channel you see will do that. If they're reviewing toys, they're reviewing games, whatever it may be, if they're reviewing technology, chances are they are using affiliate links to make most of their income in lieu of YouTube revenue, because it's quite a bit less compared to the money that can be made from affiliate marketing, which is why I'm sharing it with you guys as one of my top ways to make money online. Also, I should specify, with the passive idea, it becomes sort of really lucrative in the sense that sometimes when they click on the link, and if they don't buy straight away, there may be cookies that are stored on their device, which is basically a little thing saying that they came through your link on the computer, which will mean even if they buy, in a week, a month, a year, depending on the affiliate, you have to look in the terms and conditions, you'll still get paid. And also other ones, if you link a particular product, like I mentioned before with this microphone, which is a Blue Yeti, not sponsored, basically you will get paid if they buy other products, but if they enter Amazon through that link, for example, or whoever the vendor is, if it's Apple or eBay or anything like that, but we'll talk more specifically on that in a second, as said. Alright guys, so now I'm just going to cover probably the most, like the first thing that you need to do to get started. Now that we've done the how, that is sort of how do you find these affiliates? How do you find sort of products to sell? Now, the first thing I recommend is only if you want to at least promote products in my way of doing it, which is just sort of products that sort of with this channel. So you've already sort of got a theme. So my theme's sort of helping people make money online rather than selling people products. To make money online. I'm sort of just providing free content, so my method is just sort of sharing things that are relevant and I'm talking about anyway. Now, if you want to use that method, I do not recommend using the following sites I'm going to talk about in a second, just because you'll end up promoting products that you don't really trust or use, most importantly. So as I always say, I only will link products on this channel, at least this sort of Aussie Money Man brand. When you see my name, Nicholas G. Musket and Aussie Money Man, will only be promoting things I use myself or have used for a very long time or something along those lines, because that's my way of sort of affiliate marketing. But if you want to, for example, do what I was talking about before in sales funnels and just sort of sell a product just for the sake of selling it to make money, you can do that, and these sites are more perfect for that. And you can use these sites for doing, my method, which is the latter method, so the former method. However, again, you have to be careful, because you have to make sure they are products that you actually do trust, and that you're not sort of, because you'll just basically, you can do it, but you'll destroy your reputation. If you want to build a good reputation online doing affiliate marketing in the method I am, you have to be really careful, because people eventually will just see you as a salesman, and that's not how you want to be seen if you sort of have another agenda like myself, which is helping people make money specifically online. That being said, if you do want to go with the latter method and go all salesy, which you can do, again, just don't do it on your sort of main platform if you have one like this. I understand most people don't. So if you just want to sort of do sales, go for it, set up a blog, set up a site, set up a Facebook page, set up a YouTube channel to do that. You can set up a whole review channel. I mean, one of my first channels, I did reviews, for example, in the Elgato HD60 when that came out, which I'll link on the screen here, and that got a lot of views for a channel my size, and especially for at the time a 14-year-old, and that could have had a lot of links in. I could have made a lot more money if I'd known what I know now, but that's a different story for a different video. But pretty much to find sort of some things that you could sell on those. So for example, you could jump on this, see that a particular, I don't know, router or new game capture card, for example, it's got a great affiliate program where you get like 50% or something. Go review that product and upload it on a channel, and chances are people are they're gonna watch it and they're gonna click it. And because it's a review video and they've clicked on the video, they're already interested in buying the product anyway, so your chances of conversion are quite high, and that's why that's particularly lucrative. But there's a lot of other ways. Again, if you want to know specifically a video on different ways to sort of do affiliate marketing specifically, just comment down below and I'll make the video. But pretty much, so the sites like JVZoo, which I'll probably have on the screen here, link down below, you can sign up there. They've got a bunch of affiliates. The sites like a Commission Factory, eBay Partner Network, which only recently came out. I think it might have been a year or two ago. You've got the Amazon Partner Network or similar. That's quite big. Most people know about that. We have that in Australia now. That was only quite recent. It's been in America for ages, but Australia sort of gets everything a little bit after America. And then there's a few other ones that you can check out. So ClickBank is really famous and really known for it. I'll link that too. And all these just sites where basically they just have all these products and services that you can sell. Alright guys, well that pretty much sums it up for the video. If you haven't downloaded the ebook on how I make hundreds a week just from doing online surveys, or sometimes in-person surveys, but mostly online, really easy. Sometimes it's just over the phone. You get like $150 for an hour. You can check that out. Again, I've got one booked in, $150 this week. I keep updating it. I'm actually going to make a post where I list all the ones I've done before, because it's insane how much money you can make from this. That will be linked down below. It's completely free. You can check that out. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you like and subscribe if you haven't already, and leave your thoughts down below. Please do comment your guys' thoughts. I love it when you guys do. I do actually take notes down on your guys' comments, what you guys want to see, what you guys don't want to see, if I need to slow down my talking, which I hopefully did in this video, and whatever else it may be. So thanks so much for watching.